stronger than ever before. Chipless fastening, this is our RP-T2 6.0 thin sheet screw. Hardened steel drill tip for high drilling performance through aluminium and sheet steel. The rest of the screw body is made of A2 or A4 stainless steel, ensuring high corrosion resistance in exposed areas. Chip-free penetration of aluminium and thin sheet steel. The material is pierced and displaced downwards into a funnel, where additional thread turns are formed. This ensures incredibly high pull-out forces and a secure grip. Our twin start thread ensures a fast driving speed. Our thin sheet screw now more powerful than ever before. Following tests by an independent institute, we've achieved even higher characteristic shear load capacities for aluminium on steel. Now also available in black for the perfect look on your roofs.